Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another segment of the Intelligent Hustler. I am your host, Lou. Um, if you're brand new to this channel, I basically talk about finance related topics. I talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, as well as online businesses, um, garage sales, resale, selling things on eBay, um, as well as other economic news and the stock market, But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about ways that you can still make money in this coronavirus crisis. Um, a lot of people are losing their jobs. A lot of people are scared to death, But there are ways out here that you can make money legally. For example, DoorDash, Uber Eats, being an independent courier, um, I know people that make like $2,000 a week with DoorDash. So this is a business model that is still going strong, you know. Independent careers, I think the demand for them is going to skyrocket because, you know, UPS and the mail system is gonna get probably overwhelmed uh, real soon. You know what I'm saying? They're talking about shutting it down and this and that because of the virus. So I think that the demand for that is still gonna go up. Also, oddly enough, I think that the demand for truckers is going to increase, even though automation is like, you know, automation is nearly here, and the truckers are gonna be the first ones being affected by this. But so far, people need goods, from the grocery store, from the pharmacy. So I believe the demand for truckers is actually going to increase, with this, with the coronavirus, So yeah, most of these jobs are, in the transportation sector, food and hospitality sector. Um, you could do them as a side hustle and learn something else. Personally, I'm still learning, programming and coding and, front end and back end software development. I think the IT field is still going to be uh, very much in demand even after the dust settles, right? And it's gonna take some time, but eventually, sooner or later, things are gonna go back to normal or relatively normal. So yeah, please. That's all that I have for right now, guys. Please like this button. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like this video for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out and stay safe.